G'day, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be having a look at the standard job sheet. You may call it different things: a rotating run sheet, a standard job sheet, a rotating jobs, anything you like, but it's our template, or you may call it the template. It's our template of jobs based on weeks, so it could be every Friday or every third Monday, but these jobs are added and inserted with a rotation, not dates, and they're added into the standard template. Usually at the start of a contract, you'll sit down with your customers and your customers will add rotational bookings for every week. They would like this job to be done on a Monday and that job to be done on a Tuesday, etc. So that then forms the template so that every week those jobs will come across. So let's have a look at how we do that. On your menu, head to Standard Run Calendar. You may have called it something else, Rotating Run Sheet Template, or whatever you've called it. And I'll hide that menu there. And we can see that these are days without dates. So these are on Mondays, we've got these jobs, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. Now we've got the green plus button for adding. We've got the edit icon there for editing a particular job, and we've got the reassign there for finding replacements. You can reassign permanent jobs. Don't forget, you're not reassigning them for one particular day or one particular date, I should say. You're reassigning them and you're editing them and deleting them forever. This is a permanent future template which once again gets stamped over every week. In order to send it across, if you haven't got Bark set to auto. Obviously, if you've got Bark set to auto, this all happens in the background. But if you're doing it manually, you simply choose a week, and you can now see little blue dates, which are the proposed dates that you're about to send over to the run sheets. And you can either make the run sheets separately, or you can make the rosters and run sheets. So if you had 20 jobs for Dom C on a Monday, each one taking 20 minutes, plus travel time, plus admin time. So with Bark set to automatically add the shifts, it will gather all of those job times, the on-site time, the traffic time at that particular time of the day, plus admin time, and create a start time and a finish time for that person on that day in order to cover all of their work for the day. So what we're looking at now is if Bark is not switched to auto, and we make rosters and runs, it's going to grab the roster template and try and push that in along with the run sheet template and push that in as well. We've got our blue dates in there, and if we click make rosters and runs, on a previous video I've already sent the rosters for this week, so it actually should come back after it checks in the background and tries to create the rosters. There it is, and it's come back with an error saying DOMC is already rostered between those times, so you cannot roster them twice. So that'll prevent you from making a roster in one page and then doubling up that roster in another. So the roster table itself won't accept a person being double paid for the same hours, because rosters are paid shifts that affect payroll. So people can't be paid twice for the same time. All I need to do is, on this occasion, make the runs. What will happen there is it'll make the runs in the background and send us to the page and change our default times to actually have a look at that weekly period. Thanks very much. That's how to send the templates across each week.